back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing great. So tonight I'm gonna let y'all, I gotta clean my fridge out and restock. I just did grocery shopping, so I need to clean my fridge out and restock. Already all the food out the fridge. I need to wipe it down.
I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's obvious, please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe, they don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious, please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe, they don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us, 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 us. They don't know about us, They don't get it, babe, living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe, they don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no, they wouldn't know about us, They don't know about Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we lose, don't know what will last, yeah. The things you always dare to dream, oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace.
So this is all clean. I still gotta do the sides, but I gotta get this cold food back in the fridge. This is all clean.
Often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the one
about to show y'all what the fridge looks like so far, okay? This is what we came up with. Evidently I bought too much, but I got all the meats down there. I got drawers, but the drawers is not gonna fit with the meat. Since I got a meal prep in the morning, all the meat is gonna go down here. Got all the vegetables. All this gotta be sliced up in the morning. And yeah, that's that, okay? And then on the side, I got all the juices. Okay? Let's see what I got left. I got the green peppers to put in there. I'm gonna put the apples in there. Looks like I got some more cheese back there. And that's literally it for the refrigerator stuff.